To boost support for more than 15 candidates it has fielded in the upcoming elections to the GHADC on April 12. Top leaders of the United Democratic Party (UDP), including the President and Meghalaya Assembly Speaker Medba Lyngdoh, recently toured into Garo Hills. The first of the many meetings began in the village Rongjeng, with Medba pitching for support for the local candidate Arman G. Marak of Darugre constituency. He was joined on the dais by veteran UDP member BG Momen, Working President LCH Momen and Party Vice President Alantri F. Dekhar. Darugre will see a four-way battle with the Congress, NPP, UDP as well as an independent candidate. The fight is expected to be a close one, with none emerging favourites for now. Addressing the crowd that gather at the Rongjeng playground, Medba Lyngdoh asked the people of the constituency to give the UDP a chance to bring a change to GHADC. Lyngdoh said the party is serious about reviving the HADC, and that is why the UDP have fielded more than 15 candidates. Regional parties are best placed to bring about this change. Medba also said you have voted for two national parties, Congress and NPP, and have seen the results. He also said that the UDP assure you to bring a change to the situation if given the mandate. Meanwhile, the candidate Arman stated that the UDP had an impeccable record of honesty as a party, and this was something that inspired him. He added that UDP was among the party that did not field a non-Garo candidate, keeping in mind the fact that separation of electoral role was one of the prime agendas for the people of Garo Hills.
Mandirang District Councilor Kaingaba Namun Neknekani ko Maninga Aruduk Chakinga Okumu Chake Uamang Antang ni Office Sarao Relirang ko Kaingacham Draping Acham Dugong Ingacham Hindi ba yarang ko darang bakna Chakabadongja Uamang Kali Rongjeng aru mangsang bazar ko baita phale chanaman gen uwa ko san kaya ichin badang gebani ko baita galdak na man gen uwa ko san kaya wanda ke dentang manna ni rang ko sa manna ktar kaya ndiba achak songna nambatani ko bas rorwani ko tarangba ansungna rabagpa tongja wanda ke Daalo Anchini Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ni office ko dala theke dona nangauga kaha Daalo Anching ya dala theke donnengba district council ko sani jakchi anchara khulugen somdu nalsa chini nonggi doti gangpa kusmang cheng takabani jakchi khulugen enobe anching daalo national party ko choose kana nangegen endiba achik matgrekan Achik jatni anchian jatni rak dakbewal ko aru district council ko chalai china node dalo anchina option ge isa na simamni mukhano na soni depante chadenge onlinga tama simbolo onkange.
I saw in the paper every now and then that salary of the staff of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is not been paid for many months.
Salang tiyon singa sumbat rango silong Times Meghalaya kaljenaru gopun local newspaper rango nikinga ayaw banga jarang nan Garo Hills District Council lo kam kakupa mandirang di dorma on kujainga.
This translates that they are not fit to be in the Garo Hills District Council.
Yakun asimang badin gen yara district council ko sason kana changjani aseksan takyong inga.
If we again now after this election, we are giving their responsibility to these regional parties.
Ya election ni zamano anjing endak apa mandirang nan partirang nan ontai pergin semua de belko ontai pergin ngode.
I consider that this institution, the district council, is the most prestigious institution that we have in our state.
Ya district council ranching state to the namen ni tobi ba gam chat bi ba gam unga.
Why are we giving it to other political parties? Why not giving to us the regional parties or the parties within our own state only?
Nasimang maina ya regional party ni yenu Garo sedong ba mandiranga national party na sa nasimang boto ninga cinglan bu regional na sa wasa right onggen.
I'm confident that Arman I'm confident that our candidate Arman G. Marak,
Ang Bibira Arman G. Marak.
if he has been elected,
Dia siap ka kumanggil sa ungude.
he will keep the promises that he had made. To all of you. To all of you.
Na si Mang Plaknan, uga, nang gapakam na ko di kutak na, aga na sim kutak sumutkin.